How to replace the handlebar catch and nipple. The handlebar catch and nipple allow for the folded handlebars to be held in place. On the G Line, they have completely been redesigned. Over time, these parts could wear or potentially get damaged. To replace them, you will need a 3mm hex key, a 4mm hex key, and a torque wrench. To replace the catch end, undo the handlebar hinge clamp and fold the handlebar until it slots on the nipple. Using a 4mm hex key, unscrew the catch end fully. Once the bolt is totally removed, bring the handlebar back up, as if unfolding the bike, and the catch will be left on the nipple. You can now remove the catch end fully. Remove the old nipple by unscrewing it using a 3mm hex key. Fit the bolt through the new nipple, then screw on the handlebar support using a 3mm hex key. Torque to 3 Nm. To fit the new catch end, insert the plastic wing and spring into the hole on the handlebar support. Then, by holding it in place, undo the handlebar hinge clamp and fold the handlebar until it slots on the nipple. Fit the washer on the screw and secure the assembly using a 4mm hex key. Tighten to 5 Nm. Unfold the handlebar back up and secure in place by tightening the handlebar hinge clamp.